In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create a PayPal account. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. At the top right corner, click on Sign Up. You'll now see two options, personal or business. For this tutorial, we'll select personal and then click Get Started. Next, type in your email address and click Next. Then enter your mobile number and continue. Now, create your password. Make sure it's between 8 to 20 characters long and includes at least 2 of these: letters, numbers, or symbols. Click Next. Now fill in your personal details: first name, middle name, and last name. Make sure this matches your official ID. Click Next. Now it's time to enter your address, including street name, house number, subdivision, and district. Check the confirmation box to agree to the terms, and if you want, you can also tick the box to receive offers from PayPal. Then click Agree and Create Account. Next, PayPal will ask if you want to link a card. If you're ready, just enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and billing address, then click Link Card. But if you'd rather do it later, simply click Not Now. And that's it. Your PayPal account is now created and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.